Feeling stressed? Burnt out? Like your brain just won't stop racing? You're not broken. You're human. But here's the truth. Your mind has a reset button. And today, I'll share 5 science-backed ways you can use it to reduce stress, regain focus, and feel like yourself again. The best part, these resets are simple, free, and take just a few minutes. Reset 1. Nature breaks. When you step outside, into a park, a garden, even just by an open window with plants, your body responds instantly. Cortisol, the stress hormone, begins to drop. Your breathing slows. Your brain fog lifts. In fact, a University of Michigan study found that just a short walk in nature improves memory and attention by nearly 20%. Think about that. Your brain literally works better outdoors. You don't need a mountain hike. Even 10 minutes outside is enough to reset your nervous system. Reset 2. Box breathing. Sometimes, you don't even need to leave your desk. All you need is your breath. Box breathing is a technique used by Navy SEALs to stay calm under pressure. Here's how it works. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. That simple cycle activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural calm mode. 2 minutes of box breathing is like hitting the reset switch on anxiety. Reset 3. Sunlight exposure. Forget the extra coffee. If you want real energy, step into the sun. When natural light hits your eyes, it boosts serotonin, the mood chemical, and resets your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep and energy cycles. 10 minutes of morning sunlight can increase focus during the day and improve sleep at night. It's nature's original energy drink. Reset 4. Movement. Your body is designed to move, and your brain loves it. When you exercise, or even take a short walk, your body releases a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Scientists call it miracle grow for the brain because it helps neurons grow stronger and form new connections. That's why people often say they think more clearly after a workout. Movement isn't just for your muscles, it's for your mind. Reset 5. Digital detox. One of the biggest sources of stress? Your phone. Constant notifications and endless scrolling keep your brain in a state of hyperstimulation. The fix? A simple digital detox. That doesn't mean deleting all your apps. Start with just 1 hour a day where you're screen-free. Maybe your first hour in the morning or the last before bed. That space gives your brain a chance to slow down, reset, and recharge. So there you have it. 5 simple resets you can use anytime. Step into nature. Try box breathing. Get sunlight. Move your body. Take a digital detox. None of these require expensive tools or hours of your time. Just small, daily resets that add up to a calmer, sharper, more focused you. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reset today. And if you want bite-sized daily tips, check out my Shorts playlist. I post 3 every week.